Weekly testing of your fire alarm is a big ask, especially when you have a large estate and lots of fire alarm systems. And even if you've only got a small fire alarm system on a single building, it can still be something you've got to remember every single week. Well, I'm Jared from Fixfire, and we have a product that will help. Enter AlertLog. AlertLog is a system that connects your fire alarm panel, this device I've got here, to the internet. And that enables you to do lots of clever things. And one of them is to use the AlertLog Weekly Test app. So the AlertLog Weekly Test app is a very simple application that works on a smartphone. I've got it running on my Android. And what the Weekly Test app does is that it takes control of your weekly testing process. It's going to tell you which call points you need to test. It's going to remind you when to do them. And it's also going to remind you to do anything else that you need to do before and after a test, such as telling the alarm receiving centre. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration now, and you should now be able to see my screen. And what you can see here is the screen once you've clicked on the test reminder. So you'll get a reminder on your phone, you'll click on that reminder and you'll get this screen. So you know that you're testing the equipment demo room panel in the Fixfire offices, which is this fire alarm panel I've got here. So when you're ready, you press Start Weekly Test. You then get those reminders I mentioned earlier. Now you can configure these reminders to anything you want, and you're not limited to just one. So I'm going to say that I've called the alarm receiving centre and that I've isolated the gas valve. This can save some very awkward moments. So once you're ready, it then tells you what device to test. So I've just got one to test today. If you've got a large system, you may want to test multiple devices in a week, but I've just got one. And let's go ahead, and please excuse the noise. So, that's that noise stopped. And you can see on my screen already that it's come out to say that I've completed the task of testing that call point. So the app knows you've done it and it's all recorded for you. Like I said earlier, the recording is key for those audits. So you complete the job. It gives you some more reminders. So I need to put the system back online. So I'm going to say called and Reenabled. And that's your weekly test done. So all that's left for me to do now is to reset the call point in the panel, and I'll do that right now. And let's just reset that. Great, so that's our weekly test done. And you can see how the AlertLog Weekly Test app takes the complexity out of weekly testing. It tells you what device to test. It reminds you to do any of those important tasks you need to do before you can do the test. And then it stores all the information for you, so if you ever need it, you've got it right there. Thanks for watching.